Imagine this. You're sitting on a date or in a crucial meeting. Someone is staring at you intensely. You think it's attraction or maybe just trust. You are wrong. In this video, we reveal why too much eye contact is not a display of trust or intimacy. It is a biological, prehistoric signal that is actually screaming danger to your brain. Find out the exact limit and how to control the situation with your gaze. The science is uncompromising. The average, comfortable limit for continuous eye contact is exactly 3.3 seconds. As soon as you cross that threshold and go for 4 seconds or more, the primitive part of the brain responsible for survival is activated in the other person. Historically, a fixed, unbroken gaze was never romantic. It was a pre-attack signal. Most animals, including our ancestors, perceive a fixed stare as a challenge to fight, a sign that you are about to invade their territory. This means if someone constantly stares, they are not building intimacy. They are putting you in a submissive position. They are not seeking connection, they are seeking control. Business example. Research has shown that a manager who refuses to break eye contact is not perceived as confident. They are rated as intimidating, ruthless, and power-hungry. Trust requires breaking eye contact, which gives the other party space and respect. And what if you look too little? If you look down or away for too long, you signal subordination and insecurity. The key to professional communication lies in balance. Practical tip number 1, conversation control. If you want to take the floor, fix your gaze at the start of your sentence. When you are speaking, it is normal and expected that you maintain eye contact. Practical tip number 2, showing trust. When the other person is speaking, it is crucial to listen with your eyes and occasionally break the gaze. Do this by looking slightly to the side, not down, for a brief moment, and then returning. This signals you are processing information, not attacking them. Reading the room. If someone stares at you for longer than 4 seconds and is also frowning or has tense eye muscles, they dislike what you are saying or have a control issue. You are on the defensive. You have learned that eye contact is powerful, but a thin line. Use it wisely. If you want to master every non-verbal conversation and read people better than a detective, subscribe.